Hi, today we are interacting with Dackieswap. Dackieswap is a DEX on base Ethereum network. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get some Faucet Zealy. So we'll go to QuickNode, faucet.quicknode.com/base/faucet. I am going to drop the link in the comment section so that you can easily just click on the link. In order to prevent misuse of the Testnet tokens, I think every Ethereum Faucet now have a rule that you must have at least 0.001 ETH. It's about $4 ETH on your wallet. That is normal mainnet ETH before you can be able to claim. So you are going to choose base and then you are going to choose Zealy and then you paste your wallet address. If you want to be able to get ×2 of what you would have gotten normally from the Faucet, you can decide to tweet for them. And after tweeting, you copy the link to your tweet, then you paste it in the box that says tweet all. So here is the tweet I wanted to tweet. Although it didn't work for me, for some reason my tweet wasn't going through. So but had it been that your tweet went through, you come back to where you see tweet all. That is where you're going to paste the link to your tweet, and then you're going to claim ×2 of the Testnet tokens. But since it didn't work for me, I just claimed it normally and I got 0.02 base Zealy Testnet tokens. So after claiming the Testnet tokens, we are going to the Dackieswap website where we are going to be doing the interaction. I will also put the Dackieswap website link in the comment section so that you can easily click on it. You would have to connect to your wallet, and then you have to add the base Zealy network. Just approve it, it will add it automatically. Add the network to your MetaMask. And what we want to do right here is we want to swap some ETH that we got from the Faucet to Dackie. Dackie is their token. And then you have to approve the transaction in your wallet. Tap on confirm and the transaction has been submitted. So in later task you would need the transaction hash of whatever transaction you have done here. So click on that arrow and come here and you see transaction hash that I circled here. Tap on the copy icon there so that you can copy the hash. Go and save it somewhere because you'll be needing it later when you are interacting with your Zealy quest. So after successfully conducting your swap and copying your transaction hash, you will come back and then switch to the liquidity tab. The website is not very responsive actually. Sometimes I have to tap repeatedly before what I want to do can be successful. So you tap on add liquidity. So remember we swapped some Ethereum for Dackie, so we'll be adding liquidity in the Ethereum and Dackie pair now. Tap on full range. And tap on I understand. Then indicate the amount of Ethereum that you want to add to the liquidity pool, and because you tapped on full range, it is going to automatically let you see the amount of Dackie tokens that you'll be needing. So adjust it to fit whatever amount of token that you have in your wallet. My network wasn't actually good as well at the point of recording this video, so everything was kind of slow. So now you will tap on enable Dackie. I had to tap on it repeatedly. The website is somehow glitchy. Eventually it went through, so I'm going to confirm the transaction in my wallet now. Before confirming, I was required to enter my spending cap, so I'm going to enter 2.2. So the first phase of Dackieswap airdrop is actually going on, and I think we are already late because they will be taking snapshot on August 3. And aside from doing their testnet, there are also other activities like Zealy, like Guild, and other activities that we're supposed to participate in. We're also supposed to get roles on Discord, and some of those tasks have expired. But being the first wave of their airdrop, they are still going to do other airdrops. So if we can't meet up with the first phase of the airdrop, I think it is not actually bad if we position ourselves now, start hunting for roles on their Discord server and start doing whatever is necessary for us to be able to get into subsequent airdrops. So we're going to the end tab now and we'll tap on farm. So we want to farm the ETH Dackie pair that we added to the liquidity pool. So first of all, you tap on stake. And you tap on confirm. So you can as well go to tap on view on Basecamp so that you can copy the transaction hash like we have been doing earlier. Although you don't need to copy each of the transaction hash of whatever you have done. I think 1 or 2 transaction hash is already okay. You just need a proof that you actually did the testnet. So save it somewhere, then tap on harvest. Although I had nothing to harvest at the point of making this video because I just added the pair to liquidity pool. So you may have to leave it for a while, a couple of hours or a day, and then come back so that you can have something to harvest. And that is actually the end of their testnet interaction. You can also do the same for the ETH and USDC pairing. I actually did the ETH and USDC pairing at first, but while I was doing it, I didn't know I paused my recording and I didn't have any record of my interaction, so I had to come back and do the ETH and Dackie pairing. So you can repeat the same process for the ETH and USDC pairing. And that is all for their testnet interaction. Next we'll be going to Zealy. I'll also put the Zealy link in the comment section for your convenience. And this is their Zealy page. There is actually there are lots of tasks that are still valid here that you can do. So you want to make sure you acquire as much points as you can here. Like around 30 minutes or an hour after recording this video, I think I was already on level 5 on Zealy. So it doesn't take much time to complete the Zealy quest, and then when subsequent tasks come in, you'll also be able to do those ones. So so that I won't waste our time, I wouldn't be going through those tasks one after the other here. I think it is self-explanatory and most of us watching this video can do it ourselves. So do as many tasks as you can to accumulate points for yourself. And when you are done with Zealy, you can also go to their guild task. Although their guild task, most of it has expired, but you can still check it and see the ones that you can do now. Also go to their Discord server and make sure you are as active as possible in their Discord server. Try to chat with others, try to gain as many points as well. Increase your rank, that is what I mean. Increase your rank in their Discord server. Increasing your rank will also make you eligible for their next airdrop, aside the first one that is coming on August 3rd. I'll still put the link to their guild page or in the comment section, even though most of the tasks have expired, but you can pin it somewhere, you can save it somewhere, and later you can check back and see if they have added other tasks. So that's basically it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, like this video, and if you have any questions at all, just drop me a comment in the comment section and I promise you I'll get to it. And also join us on Telegram. Sometimes we share some updates on Telegram that don't make it to YouTube, so you don't want to miss out on such updates. So join us on Telegram. Every link, including link to our Telegram channel, is pinned in the comment section of this post. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next tutorial.